today, I really want to configure all of my tracking tools to have a better understanding how my traffic's going into my website and also to my YouTube videos as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can link your Google Search Console into your Google Analytics. Now, why this is important. Google Search Console is a tool for you to see how your website, the quality of your website. Is your pages getting indexed in Google, and like you can see in here like what are the keywords that are ranking into the search result, how people see your website and what specific keyword. And also you can see like who are the people that are, or who are the sites, what are the sites that are linking to you. If they are a bad sites that can, kind of downgrade your reputation, then you can always request for a removal. Now I want that to be robust and put everything in my Google Analytics account. So on my previous video, I already teach you how you can update or link your Google AdSense into your Google Analytics. Now in this tutorial, we will going to link to our Google Search Console or our Google Webmaster into our Google Analytics. Okay. So to do that, you need to log into your Google Analytics account, and then you go into the admin section. All right, and then you simply go in here. Okay, make sure you select the right account first in here, and then go to the property, and then click the all products. Okay, in the all products, scroll down and click this one, Search Console. Okay, so simply click this link, Search Console, and then you click this one, add, and then you will be you need to choose like what is the site you want to link into your Google Analytics account. And by the way, it's still the same with the Google AdSense. If your account is not associated with this analytics account, you need to add it as a like an admin stuff, and I'll teach you later how you can do that. So I already connected it, so I'm gonna choose this one and then click the continue, and then click this one. So you just need to confirm that this analytics is associated on this Google Webmaster. So click associate, then done. So you're ready, good at that. So they are ready linked. So if I click that done over there, and let's try to refresh our page. Okay, so they are already linked. Okay, they're already linked to each other. And then okay, and as I said, you will see in here, since they already linked to each other, you can see what are the top pages and like keywords that you need to prioritize to kind of optimize your website. And if your Google Webmaster is not connected, or they are using different email address, simply click in here in the settings section, and then click the there is an options in here under users and permission, and then you need to add a certain user. So for example, this Google Analytics is associated with different email address. You need to put it in here. Yeah, you need to put your email address, your other email address account. And since both of my Google Webmaster and Analytics are using same email address, so no need for me to do that. So that's basically how it works, guys. And always do not procrastinate this. I always procrastinate this stuff, and I'm really felt sad because I've missed some of the keywords that I missed the keywords that I need to prioritize, because I'm already getting traffic from Google, and I need to prioritize those pages or those posts that are giving me revenue.